All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR Helper number 5, version B. Taylor drew 4 decimal models on a poster. She said she shaded parts. She said the shaded parts represent each of her test scores. Write the decimal for each model to show her test scores. Okay, so I'm assuming this must be a 10 by 10 grid or 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it makes sense. So there's 100 little squares inside the grid. So I want to know out of 100, how many are shaded? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 80 out of 100 are shaded for this. So that's 80 hundredths. How could we write 80 hundredths? Write an 80 after the decimal point. This is the tenths place. That's the hundredths place. So that represents 80 hundredths. Could also write it as 8 tenths, but we're leaving it 80 hundredths for right now. Ooh, did really well this go round. Out of 100 questions, how many questions did they get right? There's only 2 that aren't colored in. That means 98 out of 100 questions that student got right. 98 hundredths. What does 98 hundredths look like as a decimal? 0.98 is 98 hundredths. The 9's in the tenths place. The 8's in the hundredths place. And your number, if it's over 100, has to end in the hundredths place. So that decimal would be 0.98. Alrighty. This right here, out of 100, how many did they get right? Looks like 91. They got 9 wrong. It looks like they got 91 out of 100 right. 91 hundredths would be 0.91. It has to end in the hundredths place. And finally, how many did they get right here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 84 out of 100 correct. You just count up how many are shaded. 84 out of 100. So 84 hundredths is 0.84. So that's 84 hundredths. List the decimals from greatest to least. So which one did they answer the most questions correct? This one right here. 0.98. You could think of that as like 98 cents. What did they get second best? They had 91 out of 100 questions correct. 0.91, that's like 91 cents going from greatest to least. Now I look at these two. Ooh, getting 84 out of 100 correct is better than getting 80 out of 100 correct. So 0.84, that would be like 84 cents. And finally, an 80 is pretty great too. That would be like 80 cents. So there we have it from greatest to least. And we just compare our place values. 9, and then 8. 9 and then 1 is less than 8. This 8 less than 9. And then this 8 less than 8 because this one ends in a 0. That's 4. And I like to think of it as money. 98 cents, 91 cents, 84 cents, 80 cents. I hope that helps.